Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to get verified on Triller. So unfortunately there is no exact milestone for reaching a certain amount of likes or followers etc. to get verified, but Triller does outline 3 steps where if you kind of do all of those things then you're most likely going to get verified. So then one of them 3 things, but first of all there's one thing. If you do have let's say for instance 1 million subscribers on YouTube, or you're classified in some type of way as a celebrity already, then you could technically just contact the support at Triller and then they'll kind of verify you straight away. But this video is kind of for people who don't already have a massive social media following or a celebrity. These are the 3 steps for those type of people to do. So the first one for that is post regular Triller videos. So let's say for instance what you're looking for is potentially daily / every few days. So you can't really be posting content, let's say once every 2 weeks or something. That's not going to be enough. They're going to want regular content, however you quantify that. Let's say 5 videos a week etc. is probably around about what they're looking for. And then for this next step, it's going to be your video is going to be having a lot of likes on them. So for instance, you're going to need a minimum have to have thousands of likes. Need minimum over 1,000. So let's say if you only get 100 likes, everything like that, it's probably not going to be enough. I'll say, this isn't giving an exact number, but I'll say you're going to need at least 1,000. You probably want to be looking around about 10,000 plus per video. If you're getting 100,000 plus, then almost definitely you'll probably get verified. But that's the type of numbers you're going to want to be hitting for this. And then next kind of goes into that, it's going to be plenty, have a lot of followers. So let's say if you have 100,000 followers etc, you're probably going to get verified for this. But that's kind of quantifies it together, as in you can't make people click like on your video by using some type of clickbaity method of getting them to do it. So that is kind of relevant as well. So make sure you're producing quality content so people follow you. You can't just be tricking people into liking it. So that kind of goes all into one. Let's do those 3 steps, then you should be able to get verified on Twitter. Unfortunately there isn't an exact way of doing it, but eventually Triller will kind of come to you, then verify your account. They'll look in your account, see that it's worthy of verification. This will change throughout the years. Maybe it'll get easier or harder depending on how many people kind of sign up to the Triller app. But hopefully that just makes sense to you. If it did help you out, leave a like on the video, subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see more how-to videos on Triller. There's a more in-depth playlist of all the different types of things you can do on the Triller app, and one big how to use Triller app there if you want to click on those. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.